power miter saw is a perfect tool for making fast, accurate cross cuts in boards. And if you need to make repetitive cuts, you can always clamp a stop block to the fence itself. This way you make several cuts of exactly the same length. The problem with this technique is you're very limited on the length of board you can cut. So we're going to extend that with a framing square. You can take a framing square and clamp it to the fence. You can extend this out to wherever you need, but let's just say that's the distance from the blade I need to be to cut my boards. Okay, there you go. Just clamp that in place just like that. Now you take your workpiece and just put it up against the fence and slide it till it just contacts the tongue of the square. This is the tongue, right there. And now make your cut. Now to make repetitive cuts of exactly the same length, you just repeat the process. You slide it up to the square, hold it in place, and make the cut.